Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check Verna 2023 firmware and Android Auto support. This prevents wasted steps. Once done, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone and plug a proven USB-C cable if you prefer wired mode, because the head unit negotiates session parameters over USB. Make sure Android Auto is updated and open. Grant location, contacts, and microphone permissions so maps and voice work. You're now ready to initiate pairing from the car. Select Android Auto on the Verna screen to begin the handshake. You'll pair next. Select Android Auto on the Verna screen and confirm the Bluetooth PIN shown on both devices. This authorizes the connection. Once paired, choose wired or wireless projection in the head unit settings. Wireless requires Wi-Fi hotspot support on the phone, so make sure it's enabled. Adjust phone prompts to allow notifications, background data, and app projection. This ensures media, navigation, and messages appear correctly. If apps don't load right away, cycle the projection option off and on to reinitialize the session. You finish by testing core functions. Start navigation, play audio, and issue a voice command so you verify steering wheel controls map correctly to the system. If things fail, reboot both phone and infotainment immediately. Instability often clears with a restart. For wired problems, try a certified USB cable and different port. For wireless, toggle phone Wi-Fi hotspot and Bluetooth. If issues persist, clear Android Auto app cache or perform a head unit settings reset. This resolves most persistent handshake and permissions errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.